Everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you use Fidelity investment for beginners. So in this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you use Fidelity investment for beginners. So here comes the steps. First of all, you could open up a browser or you could also use an app. Either way, the procedure will remain the same. Type in Fidelity investment and click on the first link that appears. As you do it, so on the next field you'll have to go and start creating your account. So click on open an account. As you do it, so then you want to select the type of account that you want to go with and click up open account. Once again, for the confirmation, you want to select it and you will then be taken to the field where you have to start creating your account. So as per the account, what you have to do is here you simply want to go ahead and start filling out the form or the fields, and there you want to enter in the details, personal details, your mobile number, your contact details, all sort of things. And once you've actually done it, so you will then be able to explore, or you will then be asked to provide in your identity. As you're done verifying your identity, then you could go and explore the features available and use Fidelity investment app for beginners. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.